Okay guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be talking about something different from what we've been talking about. So guys, hope you're enjoying the tutorial from the beginning and now getting something different. As I promised in the last tutorial, we've been talking about something different on how to overrule the rules of mathematics in C. So it's much important. Like I want to start like this is different mathematics. Let's say I want to say int maths operator, maths operator. That's the name of my variable, and say it is equals to 5 plus 8. That's what? No, that's not good. Say 5 plus 10 is that the value, So 15 times, since 15 times 20, let's use 15 times 4. So what we're expecting here, we say that we're expecting something which actually what it is, and say call this one the result, call them results, call this one and say this percent the comma, let's say this the math operator. So we do that. So that is something that we are expecting here. Basically we know that it will be 5 plus 10, that is 15 times 4. We're expecting 60. That's the normal understanding. But when you say we have something different from that, and say we copy this one and paste it here. You know how I'm lazy in typing. Say here we overall we say the parentheses, something like this. Alright, so I try and run this one, see what you're gonna give us. But basically guys, it's so much important to understand. Sorry for this one, this was a silly mess. Guys, so it is good to remember whatever you've been doing in mathematics. If my computer is not broken here, we're expecting 60 from this one, and from this one we're expecting that it is 10 times 4, we're expecting 45 and expecting 60 from this one. So guys, it's so much important to understand whatever the mathematical operators looks like. Just the way you learn them in mathematics and start, then the order of math operators like division of application come first, then addition and subtraction come later. It's the same way they appear in C. It's so much to understand it as a concept. So you may choose statements here to see the difference in what we expect basically as a result of what comes in mathematics. The only basic way to overrule mathematics, you can see the results, this one, that one, you can break to channel line so I can learn something amazing. You can break to a new line. I don't want to have problems that look like something we don't know about what we're doing. So I can build and run it. And guys, I want just to remember that if you want to build and run, you see the shortcut is Control F10. So when you press Control F10, you're gonna build and run the program, and when you press F9, you're gonna just run the program if the other one build. So much important. And the shortcuts are here. You can see build is F9, Control F9. Run is build and run is F9. Rebuild is this one. Run is Control F10. So whatever you want is much important for this program. Like it was, I don't confusing this for the recorder. But so guys, this is so important to understand that whatever you're using here as overall the mathematical operators, and the only way to overrule mathematical operators is just use the parentheses. The way you organize them in normal mathematics, real life mathematics, is the way C to organize it in its mathematical operators. Remember, division comes first, followed by multiplication comes addition, and later on subtraction. The same way it happens in C. So whatever you can do, whatever you want to do, depends on the side. I earlier on promised you that we want to be doing something different, and this is the basically because this tutorial want to be so much short, and the compiler is taking a lot of time to respond. I don't like the way it's doing, but let me check. So like this is something what you're having. It runs 45. So like 10 plus 5 plus 10 times 4 is like gonna take 10 times 4 first get us 40, and then plus 5 because division multiplication, so multiplication comes first before addition comes in, so it's gonna take multiplication first then addition. For the second one, you overrulling the all mathematical operators. So to overrule, you just have to place parentheses to get a different sound. Whenever talking about parentheses, is something this one, the parentheses is people call them the brackets. So whatever language you call them, I think you who is watching this tutorial understand the auto mathematical operators. So guys, there's something different about these mathematical operators, but I think it should come just the next tutorial because this one is meant to be short. However guys, whatever you're learning something new, you understand. However, besides that, today morning I was just in my house and just talking to my friend. This is basically not a code but something I've been talking about, like, oh, who can be talking about good English, who can be doing good mathematics, who can be doing good physics, who can be doing good writing. So whatever we do is much important in life. So guys, like in the next tutorial I'm going to be talking about how to make mathematical operators in a different style. I can add something different, like what we're expecting and what can be the finest way to do things in life is identifying how smart you are and what smart you are in, and try it out. Never get tired and do it with passion. Whatever you put passion, you're gonna learn what you want to the highest level than people understand can be. So guys, stick to what you want and what you're interested in. If you're interested in learning C, learn C until get the end and get what you want to ensure you get the personal knowledge of what you want and develop programs that want to be prompting people to hire you as a programmer without going to the university or whatever institution, just online. Almeida Manzola is a good programmer, you understand what? So stick to me to the end of the tutorial. Guys, thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.